Good afternoon. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are talking metals and gold. Higher finally cracked the 1300 and held above it. So we have gold at near 10-month high following a beautifully channel trend that we've seen going back to July. And I think that right now it becomes that what if, what's going to happen next? It's not necessarily one event that's propelled gold up here. Obviously the weaker dollar has been a big part of that. And we saw the dollar again crater lower today on Monday. And that is one reason. Stocks which have been kind of hovering near their 50-day moving average for the past week and a half have not been the cause, but are still relatively elevated on a historical basis and near those all-time highs, which would be another reason to buy gold as an insurance hedge against any kind of decline in the equity markets. But really what this comes about is on the heels of the Jackson Hole symposium we saw last weekend, there was no direction from central bankers about policy and how to make policy less stimulant. And we want to see now that how the Fed and how the central banks in Europe and Japan and all around the globe are going to combat this zero interest rate policy, which while the U.S. has seen a handful of rate hikes over the last year and a half, haven't been able to string together any kind of economic data that shows that the economies are back on its feet and that rates are going to be going higher. So right now, I think it's dollar weakness, I think it's Fed uncertainty and economic uncertainty, which should keep gold prices elevated for now. And if that dollar doesn't find a way to get its footing, that's only going to add and exaggerate the problem. So right now, gold in a very much a trend channel. Look for this to continue. Yes, we may see modest pullbacks, but there will be ample buying down below. And if we get back below 1295, that could start to trigger some selling of longs. But right now, I think gold is on its way higher. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.